Alright guys, I'm over here at Alien Worlds and we are going to unbox the, I just love this, Sideshow Collectibles He-Man statue. This thing is the coolest. This is number, sorry, wait, what? Do the what? Ah, you're a hero, Josh. Alright, let's crack this thing open. Look at the box. Alright, and here is the box, and this thing is just beautiful. Oh no, I'm good. Alright, and as always, my favorite moment in opening a statue. Oh, come on. Ooh, this thing looks incredible. So if you can see, you have your He-Man here. You have his shield in the top right corner there. You have the sheath for his sword. You have the sword in his right hand. You have his cape right there. You have the amazing base right here. And then you'll have an empty spot right there and right there for what I'm sure are Web's exclusive pieces. But let's put it together and I'll just kind of give you guys those beautiful.